From its inception, the Galaxy Note has put the most powerful mobile technology in the hands of those that demand it most. Meet the new super powerful Note.
So this here is the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. It is Samsung's latest and most powerful smartphone. Starting off with the design of the device, Samsung really did not change much since last year's model when it comes to the smartphone. You got the same glass back for wireless charging, as well as the curved infinity display and dual cameras with the variable aperture lens. Samsung did unveil two new colors though, being a light purple and a darker blue. Now when it comes to the internals of the device, Samsung went all out. They started with the Snapdragon 845, and they have two configurations being 128GB models with 6GB of RAM as a baseline, and then an absolutely insane 512GB of storage with 8GB of RAM. That is absolutely nuts, not to mention the device comes with expandable storage, allowing you to put one entire terabyte of storage into your pocket. Another big push by Samsung on the device is to improve gaming. You may have heard that Fortnite will be coming to Galaxy devices very soon, and Samsung is ready with their big specs and an all-new water carbon cooling system. With these bumps, you will notice much less lag and much better graphic performance. Now, another cool feature coming to the Note 9 is the brand new S Pen, with Bluetooth Low Energy technology. What this essentially means is that you will be able to use your S Pen away from the device as a camera shutter or a remote control. Of course, since you are using the pen away from the phone, it will need to be charged, but thankfully Samsung says that the pen can charge fully in 30 seconds for a whopping 45 minutes of use. A couple other new features coming to the device include an upgraded 4000 mAh battery, a new AI-powered camera, a few new modems, and that's about it. Now overall, the Galaxy Note 9 is very similar to last year's model. I mean, it's got a very similar design and a lot of the same features, and some people might not even notice the difference. But since last year's phone was just so good, Samsung may have another winner. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick impressions of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, and I will see you in the next one.